Imagine pulling into a peaceful lakeside campsite just as the sun begins to rise. The air is fresh, the water is perfectly still, and the only sound you hear is nature waking up around you. You step outside with a hot cup of coffee, take a deep breath, and look at the view in front of you. No hotel check-ins, no strict schedules, no rushing from one place to another. Just freedom, comfort, and the open road waiting for your next adventure. Now imagine experiencing all of that in a motorhome designed to make every journey easier, smarter, and more enjoyable. A motorhome that doesn't just give you a place to sleep, but creates a true home wherever you decide to park. That's exactly what Winnebago is aiming for with the all-new Sunflyer 26FE. Today, we're taking a complete tour inside the brand-new Winnebago Sunflyer 26FE. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why many RV enthusiasts are already calling it one of the smartest Class C motorhome layouts available today. From its spacious living area and practical kitchen to its comfortable sleeping arrangements and clever storage solutions, this motorhome seems designed for people who genuinely love life on the road. At first glance, the Sunflyer 26FE immediately feels modern and refined. Winnebago has done an excellent job creating a motorhome that looks premium without being overly flashy. The exterior design is clean, contemporary, and welcoming. Large windows stretch along the sides of the coach, helping it stand out while also serving an important purpose inside. These windows allow natural light to flood the cabin, making the interior feel brighter, larger, and more connected to the outdoors. As you walk around the exterior, you'll notice the attention to detail that Winnebago is known for. The finish feels high quality. The lines are smooth and modern, and everything appears carefully designed to balance style with practicality. The powered awning instantly expands your outdoor living space, creating the perfect area to relax after a long drive. Whether you're parked beside a mountain range, a sandy beach, or deep in the countryside, this outdoor setup helps you enjoy your surroundings in comfort. Storage is another area where this motorhome performs exceptionally well. Travelers know how important storage becomes during extended adventures. Camping equipment, outdoor furniture, tools, extra supplies, and personal belongings all need a place to go. Fortunately, the Sunflyer 26FE offers generous exterior storage compartments that make packing for longer journeys much easier. Instead of constantly trying to find room for everything, you can focus on enjoying the trip itself. But as impressive as the exterior is, the real story begins the moment you step inside. Opening the door reveals an interior that feels remarkably spacious for a motorhome in this class. One of the first things you'll notice is how open everything feels. There's a sense of flow throughout the coach that immediately makes it comfortable and inviting. Thanks to those large windows, natural light fills nearly every corner of the living area, creating an atmosphere that feels warm, bright, and welcoming. This is where the Sunflyer's intelligent layout starts to shine. Every section seems carefully planned to maximize comfort without wasting valuable space. Instead of feeling crowded or overly complicated, the floor plan feels intuitive. Moving from one area to another feels natural, almost as if the entire coach was designed around how people actually live while traveling. The main lounge area quickly becomes one of the most inviting spaces inside the motorhome. After a long day of exploring new destinations, hiking scenic trails, or driving across beautiful landscapes, this is a place where you'll want to relax and unwind. Comfortable seating provides an excellent spot to enjoy a movie, read a book, catch up with friends, or simply watch the sunset through the large surrounding windows. One thing that stands out immediately is how versatile this living space feels. During the day, it's a bright and social gathering area. In the evening, it transforms into a cozy retreat where everyone can relax together. It's the kind of flexibility that makes a motorhome feel much larger than its actual dimensions suggest. Moving further inside, the dining area continues a theme of smart design. Modern travelers often need spaces that serve multiple purposes, and the Sunflyer understands that perfectly. Of course, it's a comfortable place to enjoy meals, but it's also an excellent workspace for remote workers, a planning station for upcoming adventures, or simply a place to sit and enjoy your morning coffee while looking out at the scenery. The kitchen sits nearby and immediately impresses with its balance of practicality and style. Cooking while traveling can sometimes feel challenging in smaller motorhomes, but the Sunflyer's kitchen has clearly been designed for real-world use. The countertops provide useful preparation space, allowing you to comfortably prepare everything from quick breakfast to full evening meals. Storage cabinets are positioned thoughtfully throughout the area, ensuring that cookware, dishes, and supplies remain organized and easily accessible. The refrigerator offers enough capacity to support longer adventures, reducing the need for constant grocery stops. For travelers who enjoy spending days or even weeks exploring remote destinations, that's a major advantage. Everything feels organized, efficient, and easy to use. Nothing appears cramped or awkwardly placed. Instead, the kitchen feels like a natural extension of the living space, making everyday tasks much more enjoyable. As you continue through the motorhome, the sleeping area showcases another reason why many people are excited about this layout. Unlike some Class C motorhomes where the bedroom feels secondary, the Sunflyer gives the space the attention it deserves. The bed placement allows for comfortable movement around the room, while still maintaining a sense of privacy and relaxation. Storage options for clothing and personal belongings are integrated throughout the area, helping keep everything neat and organized during extended trips. The large windows continue to play an important role here as well. During the day, they fill the room with natural light, and in the evening they provide beautiful views of your surroundings. Imagine falling asleep beneath a star-filled sky in the mountains or waking up to ocean views along the coast. Those are the moments that make motorhome travel so special, and the Sunflyer is designed to help you enjoy every one of them.